Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get ranked on Google. Now, there's different sources that say there are hundreds of different ranking factors when it comes to ranking on Google. And the truth is there are. However, a lot of the times beginners like to complicate things and concern themselves with way too many things when designing a website or when even creating a website. And really, the Google Search Central is a place where Google informs readers like us on how to create an optimal website that will get ranked on Google and achieve some search traffic. So how do we do that? What does Google say about getting ranked on Google? Well, we can go over here and take a look at their basic recommendations that Google provides. Let's go ahead and look at some of these. It says, here are the things that you can do. First, you check how you're appearing in search. By doing that, you just type in the site, example.com, and you'll see how you're appearing currently. And that will allow you actually, guys, to alter your meta descriptions, your titles, your URL handles, if you want to alter them for the viewpoint within Google. You have to be able to help people quickly understand what your site is about. That has to do with the meta description, okay? Be eligible for special features. So including data that is referred to as structured data, such as reviews, SKUs, product SKUs, things like that are always beneficial to include in your website. Here it says use high quality images and describe them. So adding images and then using the alt image text, which by the way is a feature within Rocket Web Builder, which is our website building platform that we use to build all of our websites. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out, has that feature, and I've actually shown how to do that in the free course. If you checked out the free course, go over here to cashcownichesites.com, click on the free course button, and you'll be able to sign up for our free blogging course, how to create a blog. The next thing you have to do is you have to provide a good user experience. Now, this might seem obvious, but depending on what platform you're using, for example, if you're using WordPress and you're a beginner and you still haven't learned how to use it properly, maybe you haven't learned how to set up a proper theme, maybe how to organize your pages properly, that's going to create a lot of issues. So once again, Rocket Web Builder, super easy to use, super easy to configure your website on there. I've actually shown how to do it, and you could go ahead and check that out and be able to really create a great user experience for your visitors. The next thing is use the Google Search Console to get search analysis reports. This is awesome because the Google Search Console, once you connect it to Google, once you connect the Google Search Console to your website, you're essentially tapping into the data that Google is providing you based on your search, based on your website. What kind of traffic is it acquiring through specifically Google search? Not through social media or anything like that, but specifically through Google search. Very important. And then here it says consider hiring an SEO. There are some steps. This is not a requirement. And then this is finally the SEO starter guide. But these sections alone, if you look at everything that was just mentioned here, if you had to amalgamate it into one sentence, really, what does it come to be? What does it do? It just comes down to the aspect of if you want to rank on Google, you have to provide readers with a positive experience, which is not far from what we said yesterday. Creating good content, consistently working on that content, and giving them a good experience overall. Creating your website like a field guide for your reader, providing all the necessary information that they would need to see or need to experience. And Google will understand that and look at your website from not only a micro level, but a macro level, and look at overall what you're presenting to the audience. If all the content you added on your website is a benefit to the audience, Google's going to look at that. It's going to amalgamate the data, and it's going to compare your website versus others. And based on those other websites, you're going to start ranking higher. The more you rank higher, the better you're going to perform, the more traffic you're going to get, thereby getting more backlinks, right? Getting more attention, and getting more income, which is exactly what you guys probably are creating blogs for. It's for the income. Now, of course, there's aspects of the creativity and all that, but at the end of the day, it is for the passive income. So the whole point here is that if you want to create a website that ranks on Google, don't try to complicate the process. There are things that do matter, like certain kind of ranking factors, and people freak out over certain ones more than others, but if you want to really be able to produce an income, there's only one thing you have to focus on, and that's creating a positive experience for your readers. So put yourself in your reader's shoes. Go to your own website, test it, click on different buttons, look through it, and see how you can improve. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. A little inspiration for today, and see you soon. Peace out. Bye.